हेलो किड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। स्वागत है आपका आज के इस न्यू इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन में। आज हम सीखेंगे 20 डेली रूटीन एक्शन वर्ब्स। तो मेरे साथ दोहराते जाइए। आई एम पुशिंग, आई एम पुशिंग। आई एम मॉपिंग, I am mopping. I am running. I am running. I am swimming. I am swimming. I am chopping. I am chopping. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. I am singing. I am singing. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am reading. I am reading. I am writing. I am writing. I am walking. I am walking. We are talking. We are talking. I am eating. I am eating. I am cooking. I am cooking. I am teaching. I am teaching. I am clapping. I am clapping. I am crying. I am crying. I am waiting. I am waiting. I am studying. I am studying. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share and press the bell icon. Thank you.